it's been a while since my last tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to create simple application using button and sound. So we are going to create a drum application. So this is basically what we are going to do. I have an example of drum layout here. So we are going to try to create according to this one. So I just use default setting because I won't bother with the layout. We just focus on the button. Okay, we are going to use button to create the drum set. So we use oval tool. Okay, I use white and black stroke. Just an example for this application. And we are going to convert this to symbol, which is button, and I name it as symbol. We have two symbols, right and left, so this one I'm going to name it as symbol right, and then press OK. So we are going to this is basically the element that we are going to create. This is music file. So we don't play on the button, and I just label it by using text. Change the font size and font face. Any font would do. Okay, for example, for this one is symbol right. So I'm going to change the color to gray and drag it into the symbol. Alright, that will be good. Alright, so that is our right symbol. And we go to the library, just duplicate the symbol because we are going to create another symbol. So this time is left symbol. So rename it as left. Okay, and then drag the symbol to the stage. So change the caption to symbol left, and then repeat the process with symbol, floor, snare, and bass. Right, so we just do the same process, duplicate the already object that we have. So this time is floor. So drag it into the stage, change the caption, I just want to resize it, make it smaller. Okay. Alright, that would be good. And now we are going to create So create the snare, just using the same process. So duplicate any object, change the name, and drag it into the stage. Then you have to double click on the button to rename the caption. Okay, so I'm going to resize this one and make it smaller. Right, put it here. And the last element of the drum is the bass. Alright. Oops, looks like I need to move this one. Alright, okay. I'm going to select this. This is just for display only. We are not going to use it as the button, right? Because we are going to have some sort of pedal, right? So I arrange it, okay, depend on your view. Okay, I think it should be here. Alright, so we are going to create a pedal for the bass. Alright, and convert it into symbol like previous button. Name it as pedal bass. Alright, and we are not going to give a name for this one, okay, because it is smaller. So now we are going to create, or we are going to insert a sound for each of these button. So when you click on the, or when you touch, or when you push the button, it will produce a sound. Alright, now we are going to import all of the sound. Okay, each of the button will have different sound. You can do that with this is an example of drum. I make it for the drum, or you can use it for piano or any musical instrument. Oh, not responding, just wait for a while. So I add all of my sound here. I found it on Google. You just search the sound for each of the element. I did not remember where I get the sound. So basically, so you are going to create keyframe on the down, okay, down frame, and then drag the sound. Okay, for example, symbol right, drag the sound into the stage. Click on the down on the keyframe, and then we're going to test it by Control Enter. Oops, what happened? Okay, that's good. Let's hear the sound. So do the same process. Insert keyframe on down, and then drag the sound to the stage, and test it. Okay, that's good. Now the snare button. second last one is symbol left. Okay, right click, insert new keyframe, drag the sound on the stage, and right, and now the last one, the pedal bass. Right, okay, keyframe, and drag the where is it? All right, this one. All right, so that's it. Control enter, or you can go to control. Right, that's right, that's good. Okay, so you can use your creativity. This is the how we add sound to button. You can do for different purpose, for example guitar, piano, and so on. Alright, so I hope you learn well today, and we'll meet again.